Hello everybody, this is Becky, and I just wanted to do a real quick video, and I'm doing it one-handed, so please bear with me. This is a Christmas ornament that I made using Calico Collage's Simply Winter digital image collection kit. I soldered it, and it is two-sided. Let me turn it to show you. This is the back, and it's two pieces of glass that are cut in the shape of a banner. Show you here, and as you can see, I also soldered and added this piece up here on the top to give it a little bit more detail. And the image is inside the glass, and it's peace on earth. And if you'll notice the soldering, I use stamps to push down to make to create that look. I wanted it to kind of look like icicles, but anyway, I just wanted to give that additional look there. And then from the bottom, this is an actual glass chandelier crystal I hung on the bottom, and I have seam binding at the top of the jump ring, and on the back is soldered just plainly, and it says snowflakes or kisses from heaven. And again, that paper is the images from her kit. So you can do, I mostly just wanted to show you so that you could do more than just journals and tags and stuff. You can use these kits for jewelry and for anything else that you'd like. And I have another project I want to show you, and it'll be coming up later, that I use this same kit on, and I just wanted to let you guys know. If you haven't checked out Calico Collage on Etsy, she is an amazing designer, so please go check her out. Thank you, bye.